Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 F-550 Super Duty. The Ford Super Duty F-550 is a real work truck built with Ford tradition for reliability, safety, and comfort. This heavy-duty work truck is ready to tackle the most demanding jobs. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, dual rear wheels, tires, front all season, front license plate bracket, tires, rear all season, integrated turn signal mirrors. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.